Alessandra.
Okay. Hey guys. Hey. Hi. How are you? Lisa, shout out to Miss D, sent Angie a package, and this is what. Don't wipe on yourself. This is what she sent her to make her very own creative, decorative cupcakes. And so that's what we're trying to do right now. Angie wants to test out the little contraption to see if it works because we don't have batteries, but we're hoping that the batteries that we do have work for it. So that's what we're kind of doing right now. What do you need?
I need a cap.
Okay, so we figured out how to get the filling inside of this little squeezer thing. I don't know what it's called. Don't try to use it yet. Oh, you want to use it. How are we going to... Angie, we got to make the cake first. I don't want you to squeeze it out of there and then... Oh, say hi. Guys, this is Cordell. This is my godson.
From Bro Play Games?
Oh, yeah, from Bro Play Games. This is Black Lion's son. This is Yellow Lion, by the way. It works. Okay, don't do it yet. Don't. Okay, it works. Okay, we figured it out. It will not turn on unless you have this contraption in here. So now we have to make the cake.
So want to make the cake with me?
We have to make the cake.
We'll take turns.
This is pretty cool, man.
You want to make the cake with me? We're cracking eggs.
Do you know how to crack an egg?
Yeah, I can crack it with my head.
Don't crack it with your head. Did you ever crack an egg?
See the instructions real quick? Shake it, shake it, shake!
You got the mixer?
Yeah! Shake it. Nope.
Here. If you get a thing in it, just take it out.
Hard.
It's not that hard. Ah! Here. Don't tell me. He was better. He was better when he didn't do it hard. It's okay. Good thing I cleaned off the table first, huh? Don't, no, get it off. Here. You won't get salmonella, boy. It don't matter where it is. Backstory, these two grew up together. Me and Jackie were pregnant at the same time, and Cordell was born, actually, we were pregnant at the same time, but Cordell was born 8 months earlier than Angie. Yeah.
What the heck?
I don't know if you need any more sugar, girl. Did you get all the chunks out?
I'm gonna try next if you're on the side. Ooh, I want to taste this.
You're gonna.
I am.
Don't eat it.
This is good.
Okay, we need a spoon, one of those little thingies. Remember, you're not gonna fill these up all the way. You're gonna fill it up like halfway. They're gonna be tiny little ones. Angie, you want to put it in the toaster? Angie. Guys, just saying, forget the easy bake oven, okay? You want to buy your kids something and they're like of age, because they don't like that easy bake oven when they're like 10, okay? But that toaster right there could fit this little thing. It's way better than an easy bake oven. Okay, go easy though, you know, because it's hot on top. She's used it because it's a toaster, you know? Yep.
It's for the babies. And this one's for the big
Alright,
boys.
put it all, is it all the way in?
Yep.
Okay, close it up.
This one's for the babies. This one's for the big boys. And it'll be done really quick. You just need to get all the way around.
No, it doesn't. It's different. We're using the oven part, but I'll let you guys know. This was dinner. Fried chicken. And some rice that's not there. That we didn't really like. I wanted to tell you on this thing, I would totally love it. Okay, on the back of the box, and this is ultra moist. This is from Save a Lot, but on the back of this box it says ooey gooey cookies. Okay, I am going to hold this here and take a picture of it. Okay, I took a picture of it for you guys because this sounds amazing. And I guarantee you, obviously, you can do this with any cake mix, vanilla cake mix. Just add 1 egg, 1 package of cream cheese, and 1 stick of butter. And you can make ooey gooey cookies. And roll it in powdered sugar to coat. You do have to refrigerate it overnight. But, ooh, girl, it sounds so good. One day I'll have to try that, huh? I'm not always in the baking mood, but since Angie, you know, got this new little thing, I figured let's do something. And my godson's here, so, you know. She's been wanting to do it since yesterday. We got it yesterday, and she's patient like that sometimes. Sometimes she ain't patient, but she's been patient. So I like that, and I reward that. But yeah, so I'll see you back in a little bit. I'm gonna try to make a whole nother vial of what we just made. I think there's more of them. Yes. Nope. Is there? Yes, there is. So I'm gonna try to make more for her so that she doesn't have to worry about doing it. So you take this and you screw it on here, and you take this little thing and you put it under here. Oh, wait a minute. See, I didn't read the directions. I kind of just like, okay. All right, you do that. You take this, you screw this on here, like that, and then you put this. Now, if you don't have a lot, you have to, I figured this out, guys, okay? Because it did not work at first. Like, there wasn't a lot left. This is from the cake that we made a while ago. So I'm putting it in like a ball, kind of. And you have to tip it sideways so that the hole goes in there. You got to push it down. And then, okay, I think that's all we're going to get out of here. So then you unscrew this like so, like that. Then you take the top, let's do, I like these ones. These are the coolest. And screw that on. And that is all set to go. 2 down. Here's Cordell. He likes, what's your name in that hat, in that head? Hey, look it, they're rising.
What?
They're rising.
Oh,
see that? I know. It's working, guys. See? Look at how fast this is.
one. I want you to have that one. It's like so perfect. I want this one. This one's called my dress.
Let me try it.
I said my dress. I keep saying my dress, but this one's my cornrows are too tight.
Show that.
Alright, I'm going way down the bed. Bye-bye.
That one's name is My Cornrows Are Too Tight. Go figure. What's this one?
That's just the perfect. That's the broken record one.
It's good. He had to back up real quick. He don't want to do that mukbang though. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And until the next video, we will catch you on the flip side.
On the flip side.
I look like hell. I look terrible.
No, I look like hell. You look like heaven.
Oh, whatever.
You know? No?
Whatever. It's late, guys. It's like 10 o'clock, actually. All this sugar? Yeah.
Holy
It is.
Well, that's good. It's a sleepover, right?
He said he's going to lay down in the bed. We should probably get them just relax now.
Yeah.
He could watch TV in there.
I really did think so, and then I noticed that Lilo took his PlayStation. So maybe I'll just have him in the living room. Get the TVs in the living room.
Yeah. All right. Goodbye. Gotta go. Good night. See you tomorrow. Or good morning. Or whenever you're watching this. Bye.
Yay, yay.